For this recipe today, you will need 811 crema, NXT milk chocolate, orange and cardamom spice drops, Lübecker marzipan, as well as green and orange cocoa butter. So as always, you want to have cleaned and polished your moulds, as well as tempering any cocoa butters you're using. So I'm starting by swirling the green cocoa butter into the mould. Before letting that set and completely covering in orange cocoa butter. Making sure to evenly distribute the cocoa butter throughout the mould. So next you want to temper your NXT. It tempers the same way as any other normal Callebaut chocolate. It can look a little grainy when tempering, but this is normal and won't affect your finished product. I would also like to add that in my experience it does tend to set quite quickly, so that's something to bear in mind when casting. Next we're on to the filling. I'm using the amazing convenience product of 811 crema, which is also vegan. I'm simply adding my flavours to my crema, warming slightly, mixing thoroughly and placing in a piping bag ready to fill my bonbons. Now we're on to the marzipan insert. I'm rolling mine out between plastic. This just means I don't have to put any icing sugar or corn flour down to roll it out. Now that you've rolled it out between 2 and 3 millimeters, you want to go ahead and cut your inserts. I'm using a piping nozzle here as well as a dipping fork. So onto filling your shells. You want to go ahead with your 811 flavoured crema and pipe halfway up. Then you want to go ahead and place your marzipan insert in there, pushing it down to make a good contact with the crema, before topping up with the remaining crema, leaving a 2mm gap at the top for capping. So once your fillings have set, you can go ahead and cap your chocolates with your retempered leftover NXT from earlier. Allowing to crystallise, you can then turn them out. So there you have some uniquely flavoured, soft scented bonbons with a marzipan insert. That fit perfectly into our mix and match boxes.